your KRCG 13 Storm Vision Forecast with Zach Paul.
We'll continue with some spotty rain showers across the area this evening, even a little bit of some light drizzle, but that will all come to an end overnight. We'll start to find some fog developing early on your Friday morning. Temperatures will be fairly steady across the area this evening in the upper 30s. We'll end up around the mid 30s tomorrow morning, which is average. But once that rain stops, we're going to start to find light winds. With the rain that we've had over the last couple of days, that is going to allow for some fog across the area tomorrow morning. Here's the way it's looked here as we've gone through most of the day. Most of the rain this afternoon has stayed pretty much well north of I-70. Areas up around Higbee or so, just under an inch, a little bit more light rain back towards the Sedalia area and Green Ridge. Some of these areas have picked up about a half an inch or so within the last couple of days. In fact, Boonville and Brunswick, just since midnight, have picked up close to a half an inch, about a quarter of an inch or so for Fulton. Lesser amounts the farther south that you go, but it's been a cool day. Temperatures well below average here in the low to mid 40s, 45 right now in Fulton. Lynn, 44 degrees. Versailles, you're at 41. A little cooler in Vandalia. You're at 39 degrees. There's a live look right now over the lake area. A quick car cam, overcast skies. Not a lot of rain around the lake area today, just a little bit of that light drizzle. We'll continue to find some of that here this evening. Again, most of that rain tonight and this evening is going to stay north of 50 highway. It's 43 right now at the lake. Winds are calm and our dew point right now at 37 degrees. A lot of dry skies down to our south and east, but we do have quite a bit of moisture in the train. Looking back to the southwest, activity of some thunderstorms out around Dodge City, southwest Kansas. Some quieter skies back up to our northwest. With this system, it's all going to continue to shift southeast, so I don't think we're going to have to worry about what we find out through Kansas here this evening. But we will find some of that light drizzle here through about midnight to 2 a.m. Drying out as we get into the morning, but we will find that fog developing. As we go through the day Friday, winds will come from the west to southwest. We'll find clouds decreasing, what means some more sunshine on your Friday afternoon. Temperatures will respond as we get into the weekend. Saturday, we're going to find winds out of the southwest. It'll be pretty nice here for the weekend as well. Sunshine for your Saturday, not breezy, but a pretty nice Saturday afternoon. When we get to Saturday night, we'll find another cold front moving through. That'll affect temperatures for your Sunday, but still looking to find them above average for the weekend, especially for March. It will be a little bit chilly tonight. We'll find the mid to upper 30s when you wake up tomorrow morning. As we go through the afternoon, not bad. We're going to find the low 60s with more clouds from that fog in the morning, but more sunshine for your afternoon. Here is the 7-day forecast. Again, right around 42 degrees on your Saturday morning, up to 72 Saturday afternoon. Saturday will be the first full day of spring. A little cooler for Sunday, still looking for sunshine into the 60s. As we get into next week, we'll find a little more cloud cover, maybe a little bit of light rain on Monday. Doesn't look very likely. What does start to look a little bit more likely is the possibility for some thunderstorms as we get towards your Tuesday evening and into your Wednesday. Tuesday, we'll find high temperatures around 65 degrees. And again, we could find some strong storms moving across the area on Wednesday, once again with temperatures there in the mid 60s. So we're starting to find the spring-like temperatures return, which means spring-like thunderstorms. And of course, that's still about 6 days away, but we're already watching to find out the potential for that because it's always that first one. You don't want to be caught off guard. We'll be here to let you know what's going on with it.
Okay, sounds good.